Hi children, good morning everybody. Okay, in last class we discussed something relating to our earth. Okay, can you recall something? Yes, what I studied earlier? What is our chapter name? A model of earth. Okay, then we discussed something. What are? I just wrote here. Okay, we already studied. What is that? Okay, listen. Here is a globe. That is the small model of earth. Then what is the next one? For what purpose we use, or what are included, or what can we know about with the help of globe? What is that? There is a shape, size, location. Okay. Then we discuss, there is something. What is that? Here is oceans, then continents. Okay. Oceans, continents. How many oceans? 5 oceans, 7 continents. Okay. After this we discuss, here is a then North Pole. Next we discuss South Pole. Then we discussed equator. Then hemisphere, then northern hemisphere, then southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Okay. Previous card. Listen, here is a previous class we discussed globe, then here is mainly 5 oceans, then 7 continents, then we discussed North Pole, South Pole, equator, hemisphere, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Yes, you understood everything related to this topic? Okay, I just repeat, or just given important things. First we know that globe is a small model of earth. That is, the globe is a spherical or a round shape. Which shape? Spherical or a round shape. Then what we discussed, it shows the shape, size and location. Then we discussed, here is the oceans, mainly 5 oceans. What are the 5 oceans? Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Large water bodies are called oceans. Then we discussed continents. Large masses of land are called continents. Here is mainly 7 continents, that is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay. Then we know that there is one imaginary line. Okay. That means between 2 poles. What are the 2 poles? North Pole and South Pole. Northernmost point of the earth. Northernmost point of the earth, that is the North Pole. Southern point of here is southernmost point of the earth is the South Pole. Then between these 2 poles, that means between the North Pole and the South Pole, here is one imaginary line that we called equator. Then the help of equator, or we can here is equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. What are the 2 hemispheres? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. What is northern hemisphere? the area north of the equator. The area north of the equator is called northern hemisphere. The area south of the equator is the southern hemisphere. Okay, that's all. So, we already discussed the important matters related to Earth. Then, today we want to discuss a new topic, parallels of latitude. What is that? Parallels of latitude. Can I clear the board? Okay. Our topic, parallels of latitude. Parallels of latitude. Listen, if you look the globe, okay, the previous class, you just I'm showing this, you just see this globe. All of you listen, you saw this in last class. Now all of you look here. Here is a globe. Listen, if you take a closer look at the globe, you will see lines. Here is some lines. Can you see? Here is some lines. Look very carefully. You can see here is some lines. Okay, parallel to the equator. All of you listen here. Here is one imaginary line. This line is called equator. What is it? Equator. Well, then here we want to draw some parallel line. Parallel line, that means the same direction. We can draw this line. Okay. Here is this called parallel of latitude. Is it clear? All of you listen here. Then here we know that what is it? North pole. What is it? South pole. Then here is one imaginary line. What is that? Equator. What is it? Equator. Then we can draw, here is a parallel line. This is called the parallel of latitude. Then look at textbook. If you take a closer look at the globe, you will see lines running parallel to the equator. Running parallel to the equator. Equator parallel. Here is some lines or certain lines. Then these lines are called latitude. Is it clear? What is latitude? Here is when we look our globe, closely look our globe, there is some lines. Okay, listen. We can see the lines running parallel to the equator. These lines are called latitudes. Underline that. They are also called parallels. Okay, latitude or it also called parallels. Parallels, latitude, both are same. Okay, listen. They are also called parallels because they run parallel to the equator. Latitudes also called parallel. What is the reason? Because it run through, or here is parallel to the equator. That's why it called parallels. They are also called parallel because run parallel to the equator. That means the same direction. Here is parallel to the equator. Lines of latitude are numbered from the equator, which begins at 0 degree. Which begins equator. Here started 0 degree. Equator started 0 degree. Okay, listen. The equator is the longest of the parallels. Underline that. Equator is the longest of the parallel. Listen, here we draw this. here is which is the longest parallel? Equator is the longest parallel. But what is the speciality of equator? It is the longest parallel. Which is the longest parallel? Equator is the longest parallel. Which is the longest parallel? Equator. Then equator is the longest of the parallels. These parallels keep decreasing in length as they move towards the poles. The length decreasing. Listen, this is the longest. Then here length decreasing. Moving here decreased, here also decreased, here just point. Okay, listen, which is the longest parallel? Equator is the longest parallel. Other parallels length decreased. Then these parallels keep decreasing in length as they move towards the poles. As they move towards the nearest to the poles, the length decreasing. Listen here. Here is the longest parallel, or here is the greatest parallel, that is the equator. Other move towards the pole, the length decreasing. Is it clear? Length decreased. Then they are also called these parallels keep decreasing in length as they move towards the poles. At the poles, this line is just a point. At the poles, what are the poles? Here is a north pole, here is a south pole. At the pole, here just a point. When we reach here, the pole, here only point. Okay. Then at the poles, this line is just a point. The poles are 90 degree north and 90 degree south of the equator. Listen, here is a 90 degree north of the equator, here 90 degree south of the equator. Okay, is it clear? Equator started here is 0 degree. Then what is the speciality of equator? It is the longest parallel. Then here moving from equator to another, there is a decreasing the parallel. Okay. Then at the poles, this line is just a point. The poles are 90 degree south, north, and here is a 90 degree south. Okay, 90 degree north and 90 degree south of the equator. The parallel in the northern hemisphere are labeled 10 degree north, 20 degree north, and so on. Listen, the parallels in the northern hemisphere, we already studied from here to here. What is that? It is northern hemisphere, then it is southern hemisphere. Okay, here is from equator to northern hemisphere. The parallels in the northern hemisphere are labeled 10 degree north, 20 degree north, and so on. On the other hand, those in the southern hemisphere labeled here 10 degree north, 20 degree north, 30 degree north, 40 degree north. Finally, we reach 90 degree north. Same as in case of south, here also 10 degree south, 20 degree south, 30 degree south, so on. Is it clear? Same as in case of here is. Then special parallels of latitude. Okay, parallels of latitude, is it clear? What is parallels of latitude? Okay, what is latitude? We know that here is lines running parallel to the equator. What is lines running parallel to the equator? Lines running parallel to the equator is called, what is that? Parallels of latitude. Underline that. Lines running parallel to the equator, these lines are called latitude. Then what is the speciality of these parallels, or what is the reason behind it? It called parallels because they run parallel to the equator. What is the reason behind it? They run parallel to the equator. Equator ne parallel aayittaan. It run parallel to the equator. That is why it called parallels of latitude. Is it clear? Then then we discussed what is that the poles. Here is south pole, north pole, here is south pole. When we reach north pole, there is a 90 degree, here 90 degree south, here 90 degree north, here 90 degree south. Then another important thing, the parallels in the northern hemisphere labeled 10 degree north, then 10 degree north, next one 20 degree north, 30 degree north, so on. In case of south, here is 10 degree south, 20 degree south, 30 degree south, so on or etc. Okay, is it clear? That over. Then special parallels of latitude. Is it clear what is parallel? Okay, I repeat once more. Here this is the equator, equator 0 degree. Then we draw the parallel to the equator, that we call latitude. Listen, when you hear this word latitude, you think about that is a horizontal line. You studied in your maths horizontal, vertical line. Okay, this line is called horizontal line. Here horizontally we draw something that we call parallels or latitude. What is its speciality? From equator to moving or running away the north pole, what happen? Here is a decreasing parallels. Okay, listen, these parallels keep decreasing length as they move towards the poles. As they move towards the poles, what happen here? Decreasing the length. Okay, then next topic, special parallels of latitude. What is our next topic? Special parallels of latitude. Special parallels. Special parallels of latitude. Special parallels of latitude. Okay, there are 7 important parallels of latitude shown on globes and maps. Okay, how many parallel of latitude? 7 parallel of latitude. How many? 7. What is the number? 7 parallels of latitude shown on word, on globe, then on map. Then they are the following. What are? Listen. First one, equator. Okay, again we want to draw the same thing. Here is a, what is it? North pole, south pole. Here is one imaginary line. What is it? Equator. What is it? Equator. Okay, 0 degree, starting 0 degree. Then equator at 0 degree. Then what is the next one? Tropic of Cancer. Here one thing. What is it? Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north. 23.5 degree north. 23.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer. Next one, Arctic Circle. What is it? Arctic Circle. Okay, what is it? Arctic Circle. Here is a 66.5 degree north. Arctic Circle. Then what is the next one? North Pole. We already discussed earlier. North Pole. What is the degree? 90 degree north. Listen. Equator at 0 degree. Then Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north. Then Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north. Then North Pole at 90 degree north. Okay. Next here. What is here? Tropic of Cancer. What is it? Sorry, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. Tropic of Capricorn at same thing. 23.5 what? Half degree south. Here 23.5 degree north. Here 23.5 degree south. Okay. It's so simple. Don't worry about it. It's very easy. Listen. Here we call Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north. Here Tropic of Capricorn. The same 23.5 degree south. Here north, here south. Okay. Next one, Antarctic Circle. What is here? Here Arctic Circle. But then here Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Okay. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. Antarctic Circle 66 degree 66.5 degree south. Okay. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. Then South Pole 90 degree south. South Pole 90 degree south. I repeat, what is our topic? Special parallels of latitude. Special parallels of latitude. How many important parallels of latitude? How many important parallels of latitude? 7 important parallels of latitude. 7. What are? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, North Pole, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, South Pole. Okay. Is it clear? These are the 7. There is one question. Quick check. Do you see? Look your textbook. What are the longest and shortest parallel of latitude? What are the longest? Can you say on the basis of this? Longest parallel? Equator is the longest parallel. Which is the shortest? North Pole and South Pole. Both are shortest parallel. Okay. Here is 0 degree. Here 90 degree. Okay. Is it clear? Then parallels of latitude. That's over. I repeat, parallel. When you hear this word parallel, you think about there is a what? Horizontal lines. Okay. Here is a horizontal lines. What is the speciality? Here is a change, decreasing. How? Decreasing. Parallels keep decreasing in length as they move towards the pole. As they move towards the pole, the length of the parallel decreasing. Okay, minimizing, decreasing or minimizing. That only the speciality. Okay. So today we discussed parallels of latitude, then special parallels of latitude, that also we discussed. I think you understood everything. Listen, I already told one thing. Regular reading, that will be the solution for maintaining this subject. Okay, social studies, very interesting subject. You should read every day your textbook. Then, now we want to write some notes, question answers. All of you want to write these question answers in your notebook. Okay, your fair notebook. How will you write in your fair notebook? Firstly, you want to write the heading. What is the heading? Chapter 1, a model of the earth. Then, in your textbook, exercise part, all of you want to take C part. Okay, C part. What is that? Answer the following questions. What is that? Answer the following questions. What is the first question? What is a globe? How does it help us? What is a block? How does it help us? Okay. You want to write question from your textbook? Here answer only. I am writing here answer only. Okay. All of you want to look your textbook and write down in your notebook. Then answer here. What is a block? Speedily write the question. Avoid spelling mistake. Okay. If you make any spelling wrong or spelling mistake, you want to write in position. Okay. Don't make mistakes. Be careful. Okay. A globe is a spherical. Speedily write. A block is a spherical or round model of the earth. Round model of the earth. A block is a spherical or round model of the earth. It shows the shape, size and location of all the land areas Okay, I repeat first question's answer. What is the first question? What is a globe? How does it help us? A globe is a spherical or round model of the earth. It shows the shape, size and location of all the land areas and water bodies on the earth. Land areas and water bodies on the earth. Then second question, name the imaginary line that cuts the earth into two equal halves. Now you avoid two lines for writing question because now maybe you can't write the question. Later you will write the question, that is not a problem. Okay, what is the answer? Second question's answer, the equator. What is the second question's answer? The equator. Then third question, what are parallels of latitude? What are parallels of latitude? What is the answer? If we take a closer look at the globe, you put comma, we will see lines running parallel to the equator. Lines running parallel to the equator. We will see lines running parallel to the equator. These lines are called latitude. These lines are called latitudes. These lines are called latitudes. Full stop. They are also called also called parallels because they run parallel to the equator. They run parallel to the equator. Okay, I repeat third question's answer. If we take a closer look at the globe, we will see lines running parallel to the equator. These lines are called latitudes. They are also called parallels because they run parallel to the equator. They run parallel to the equator.